biting me. So naughty. Ow, ow. Tako. There's nothing behind the iPad. Tako. The birdie's there. Nothing behind, okay? See? So funny. We're playing hide and seek, Tako. Can't find the birdie, huh? Can't find the birdie. Ow! Stop biting me, Tako. Ooh, what was that, Tako?
Yes, me.
Gone. Where did Tako go? Hi, Tako. So blurry. So excited. And Curio now then doesn't really care. Too scared actually. No, he's doing Tako. Ow. No, you can't go there, Tako. Ow, ow, ow. You can climb over. You can climb through my arm. Fingers, I mean. So funny that he would get so close and to climb through my fingers or whatever. You go. You go through. Go through there. It stopped now.